In this short video, you'll find out how Jack got rid of mold and its harmful consequences for the entire family's health in just 30 minutes. Jack unsuccessfully fought mold in the house for 3 years. He tried many ways to get rid of the mold and wasted a lot of money. But all his efforts were in vain as the mold returned again and again and began to affect his family's health. As the mold continued to spread uncontrollably, his worry grew, and with every passing day, the damage to the walls and furniture became more apparent. He was aware of the dangers of living in a mold-infested house. Consistent exposure to mold spores can settle in the lungs, causing respiratory problems and triggering allergies. The situation was alarming. Then a friend explained how he got rid of the mold in his house for good. He recommended Isa Effect to prevent and eliminate mold. Why is Isa Effect different from all the other products that Jack's tried before? Isa Effect is an active compound that penetrates deep inside the mold spores and destroys them from the inside. To eliminate and destroy mold, spray Isa Effect 30 to 50 centimeters beyond the edge of the mold and let it work for at least 15 minutes. Then wipe the surface with a cloth and warm water. Spray Isa Effect once more and let it dry. After the process, remember to spray the surface on the floor with Isa Effect and throw away the cloth you used to remove the mold. Following these simple steps can efficiently and effectively eliminate mold in your space. Isa Effect does not damage the surface or materials. It's odorless, prevents recontamination, and provides long-lasting results. Isa Effect is biodegradable as it breaks down into water and oxygen after its use. It's crucial to correctly tackle mold removal, otherwise it'll definitely return. Traditional mold removal products are usually chlorine-based, so they tend to leave behind a lingering, unpleasant smell in the room after use. Jack has successfully created a safe and suitable living environment for his family. Would you like to achieve such results? Then Isa Effect is the right choice for you. It prevents and destroys mold efficiently. Use Isa Effect safely. Always read the label and product information before use.